At MAKA CBSE School, safety and preparedness are at the heart of holistic education. On the 20th of November 2025, we conducted an impactful fire and disaster management skill training program on our campus. Expert officers from AP Fire Services, Eluru joined us to create real awareness about emergency readiness and safety responsibility. Through interactive demonstrations, they taught our students how to handle fire safety equipment, including the correct and practical use of fire extinguishers, fire hoses, and emergency tools. Students actively participated in the hands-on training, learning how to respond calmly in crisis situations, protect themselves and others, and follow safety protocols during emergencies. The session strengthened the confidence and awareness of our young learners, empowering them with essential life-saving skills. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the AP Fire Services, Eluru team, for their valuable guidance and service to society. At MAKA CBSE School, we continue to strive towards building responsible and well-prepared citizens for tomorrow. MAKA CBSE School, learning for life.